It's 4:43. We left New York around 10 p.m. Drove for about 6.5 hours. And it is freezing out here. My white shoes, really dirty now. Not the smartest choice I ever made. We made it. We have arrived in Portsmouth. It's a coastal city in New Hampshire. Kind of looks like Norway.
You're my painkiller. When my brain gets bitter, you keep me close. You keep me close.
So right there across the bridge is Maine. And then over here is New Hampshire.
I got front row seats for the parkside living feel like the one, but I'm one in a billion, teenage cynical, and I don't really driving on the road, waiting for head-on collisions, springtime from the road. I miss you, but I'd rather be alone to keep me from heartbreaks, headaches. The doctor says I'm diagnosed with shit things, mistakes, but I'll be fine.
Go.
But I'll be fine.
Really?
'Cause you're my pain, when my brain gets bitter.
We are trying to go down to the weather is amazing today.
Disturbing the peace with some peace of mind. Sleeping in jeans, I'ma need a night. OD on the cheap advice. OC on the cheapest flight. Lately I've been on the move trying to get to something, but I told her I've been running just to see the sights, see the lights, and they're not my type. So we chill with a brother if his ice all white, but it's not. Am I living life in a box? Tell if it's a crisis or not. I hate coming off too normal, but I can use a wife and a dog and a job and a white fence off where the white kids walk. Well, have I been lost? Don't know where the days went. I spent a lot of nights in a blur, and I bet I spent a few too many trying to make it. And I I haven't yet. Yeah. We had to bet. I'm only here. Yeah. You know.
Just arrived in Ransnet, Rhode Island.
So you chipped your nail, you stubbed your toe, you lost your phone. Life's a rolling stone on a broken roller coaster. Scream shit, move on. Throw your hands up, move on. It's all good. Today is your day. Time is filled with swift transition. Put yourself in good position if you want. Things can go your way. Ain't no time to smell the roses. Gotta get to where to go. The road's already been paved. Here I go, ready now. I'm coming for you. Can't nothing stop me. I got some things I gotta do. Hey, 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 hey. I'm making a move. Study long, study wrong. Ain't nothing gonna happen on its own. I'm making a move. Don't need no hickeys for this song. I got joy all through my soul. I'm making a move. Get up, get out. Mr. Sun is shining on me. I'm making a move.